давай, включай. Hi, my name is Shramko, and this is the new special mount, maybe the best mount for the Inspire 2 drones for additional payloads, like some cameras, FPV cameras or 360 cameras. It's very strong. How to mount it? It's easy to mount it, like this one, and at the bottom use this bracket to fix it and screw it. You can always leave it on an Inspire drone. I'm always use it with this one. Then I can easily mount some additional equipment. This is a DJI FPV camera, for example, and from the top I can fix it and ready to fly. Then I can remove it and change. This is a standard plate with a photo thread. I can mount here any additional equipment, then mount it on Inspire drone and fix it and ready to fly. But I advise you not to fly with such amount of camera. I create additional special solution for shooting the 360 cameras. I will show it you on another video. You can find it on my channel. It's a special pole with a gimbal at the end, and then you will receive the perfect 360 video on it. So if you need this mount, just write to me. I can sell you a STL file and you can print it, or you can buy it from online store. Thanks for watching. Bye.